Welcome back, and today after Halloween I went to the store and there's a monster minifigure and I opened one. I lost two and I opened one, and then here's what I got: a skeleton with a pumpkin. Here's the back. Oopsie doopsie. Here's the back. I'm gonna put it right. And now we're going to open the second. It's ages 5 and up. And then here's the minifigures that you might get. Here's the back. And I got my trusty scissors. Let's open this bad boy. This right here. So let's open this thing up. Oh, and here's the paper, and I got this guy. The camera guy with the thing. See? So I'm gonna build it now. Hold on. Wait, what? Wait. How, what? Wait, let me see. Alright, it's the same. And the shirt is all the same, the body, so you can choose wherever you like. I'm gonna do it here, and then it looks like chewy. Oh. Okay, here is the guy. Now to add the camera. This hand. Wait, actually. Wait, no. Wait, what? Oh. There we have it. Here is the 2 minifigures. And this is part 1. If you want to see another card, just comment down below, and bye!